while since I made a video for my recipe playlist. So today I'm going to show you guys something I discovered the other day when I bought these. Well, actually it's just one. It's a chicken buffalo wrap, and I have made two fantastic recipes from this. I'll tell you the first one right up front, because all you do is remove the filling from the wrap, get some nice slices of fresh bread, put on some slices of tomato, lettuce, whatever else you want, or you can just use the filling from the wrap itself, and you have yourself not one but two really nice sandwiches. And of course you can do this with any kind of wrap. This happens to be the buffalo chicken. I like this one the best. And so here's how you too can make this very easy, very tasty, very versatile pasta salad. Earlier on, I went and did some grocery shopping for just the items I need. So at this point, you can either put it in the fridge for later or eat it right away, which I'm going to try some right now. This tastes really good, and it was so easy to make. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I shouldn't talk with my mouth full. And there's Rocky, he was watching me the whole time.